Can using cooking oil on hair cause any damage or side effects?
Hello and welcome to another exciting video where we uncover hair care myths and facts. Today's topic is something we've all wondered about. Can using cooking oil on your hair cause any damage or side effects? Strap in as we delve into the science behind hair care and the impact of commonly used cooking oils.
What's in the oil?
Cooking oils, like olive, coconut, and canola, are often used in hair care for their perceived benefits. They contain fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. When applied topically, these components may offer some benefits like moisturization and nourishment.
Can cooking oils damage hair?
The most crucial factor is how you use these oils. Using too much oil can lead to a buildup on your scalp, clogging the pores, and causing issues like dandruff or even hair loss. The type of oil also matters. For instance, coconut oil can penetrate the hair shaft and might cause protein buildup for some hair types, leading to brittleness and breakage. In short, misuse or overuse of cooking oils can indeed damage your hair.
Can cooking oils have side effects?
Just like anything else you put on your body, cooking oils can cause allergic reactions in some people. These reactions can range from mild irritation to severe inflammation. Always perform a patch test if you're using an oil on your hair for the first time. So, yes, cooking oils can have side effects, particularly if you are allergic to them.
How to use cooking oils safely on hair?
Always start with a small amount of oil. It's easier to add more if needed, but difficult to remove if you've used too much. It's also best to apply it on damp hair as this helps distribute the oil evenly. You can experiment with different types of oils, but do a patch test first to avoid potential allergic reactions. In conclusion, while cooking oils can have some benefits for hair, they can also cause damage and side effects if misused or overused. Always use them cautiously and observe how your hair responds. Your hair is unique, and what works for others might not work for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the secret to great hair is understanding what it needs and nurturing it accordingly.